What kind of camper has two reverse gears, a snorkel, and looks like it could survive a dinosaur attack? You're about to find out. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever driven something that felt like it could climb Mount Everest, haul a herd of goats, and still have enough charm to impress the barista at your local espresso hut? Well, let me introduce you to the 1964 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 404 camper conversion, or as I call it, the German go-anywhere glamping tank. Before we dive into the specs, don't forget to subscribe. It's where horsepower meets humor, and we review the most outrageous rigs this side of the Autobahn. Now, I once went camping with a buddy who claimed his crossover SUV was trail-rated. The only trail it conquered was the gravel path behind a Cracker Barrel. Meanwhile, this Unimog, it's got a 2.2-liter M180 inline-six engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission featuring 2 reverse gears. Yes, 2. I think that's for when you realize you accidentally drove into a canyon and need options. With portal axles, a dual-range transfer case, and differential locks, this beast laughs at terrain. The 275/80 Continental MPT 81 tires on 20-inch steel wheels are more rugged than my neighbor Carl's third divorce. And the snorkel? That's not just a party trick. It's for real off-road water crossings. Inside, the camper box has more features than a Manhattan apartment. A collapsible dining area turns into a sleeping zone, complete with a flip-down DVD player, because wilderness doesn't mean no rom-coms. You get a 2-burner propane cooktop, an Engel fridge freezer, storage galore, and countertops tougher than my high school gym coach. The solar panel? 250 watts on the roof, backed by dual 12-volt AGM deep-cycle batteries and converters. Power for days, my friends. There's also a Sigtronics intercom system with 3 headsets, which is great if your passengers constantly argue over who forgot the marshmallows. Oh, and a ComeUp 24-volt winch, which you can slap on the front or back receiver hitch, because Unimog drivers don't do stock. Sold for $28,000, about 25,600 euros, is a bargain when you consider it's ex-military, ex-boring, and 100% adventure-ready. Sure, there's a bit of rust and a cracked windshield, but so what? My last camping trip ended with poison ivy and a raccoon fight. I believe what I liked the most was the combination of old-school Unimog muscle with off-grid modern upgrades. It's like if Bear Grylls got a degree in engineering and a subscription to Overland Monthly. And if you want to see more wild campers like this one, remember, there's a link under the video. Don't make me send Carl after you. Smash that subscribe button for more insane vehicles that'll make your Prius cry and your uncle jealous. Link to the official Mercedes-Benz Unimog Heritage site is in the description below. And maybe, just maybe, you'll want to find one for yourself.